welcome to today's vlog. We are at Bonelli Park. We're gonna go ride our bicycle. So we have two Lectrics right here again. Itzel's Lectric, mine's. And then we have two regular bikes. Well, my nephew's here. Are you excited, babe? 44 miles.
How do I have 44 miles when I had 37 the last time I checked?
Because I was running around.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Okay, guys, let's go. We're on the Lectric XP. I'm at 102 miles already. I'm at 102 miles. So far, the bike's been good. My black Lectric XP has been perfect. Quality's been pretty good. I like it.
Go, Daddy, go.
Okay, going.
Hey, what is that? All right. Faster.
All right, so we had to wait for stuff to catch up.
Hi.
Hi. Like the guy has a hoverboard.
Hi.
It's so slow. Look at those regular bicycles struggling. You guys okay?
Hey.
Put it on the easy pedal. And they're going really slow. 3 miles per hour. Uh-oh. I'm going on pedal assist 1 and I'm like, I keep on catching up to them. Yeah, there's a lot of people here today. It's pretty cool. A lot of stuff going on. Hey, there goes my parents.
Your parents?
There goes Yay and Ta.
Yeah.
Yeah, Yay and Ta mean grandma and granddad in Cambodia. That's Calvin's grandparents.
Mommy?
No, Yay and Ta, see? Say hi, Yay. Go wave. Go hi, Yay, Ta.
Hi, yay.
Louder, louder. Say hi.
Hi, yay. Hi, Da. Hi, yay. Go.
No.
Go. Go. Get back there. Go. You had your hair.
His hat fell down. Oh no. Can you pick it up? I can't pick it up. Yeah. You guys were going too fast.
Hi. Daddy, hold it that way.
Downhill?
Get that way, kid.
My little boy's so bossy. He keeps telling me where to go, when to go, how to go. Like when we went to the zoo, just like his mom. But yeah, like when we were at the zoo, he kept like telling us where to go. Like, okay, go this way, okay, go that way. And he just kept on looking at the map over and over and over, pretending like he knew what he was looking at. It's hilarious, little boy. She was about to go to the girls' restroom.
Hey.
Why were you about to go into the wrong restroom? You getting some pretty good exercise right now?
I am because I'm on 0.
Don't touch, don't touch. You are?
Yeah.
Except for going up the hill, right?
No. I've been doing it on my own.
Hey.
Oh, nice. All right. Okay, let's go.
Fast on it.
Look at doggies. Say hi, doggies.
Hi, doggy. Hi, guys.
In the park, too. Say hi, park.
Hi. 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 Hi.
Ice cream.
Hi. Hi. What's hi, Daddy?
You're silly.
What the hi noise? Hi. Hi. Hi.
They're going the wrong way. Tell them make a right.
Yeah.
Can you go call them?
Hey, I find you.
What happened?
We went the wrong way. I forgot that we have to go over that bridge.
Yeah.
The mommy came back here, guys. Came back here.
They're coming uphill. All right, go wait for me
Stop it.
at the bridge. All right, here we go, guys. Back on the road again, or shall I say the trail?
On the bridge.
Trail. We're on the. Damn, today's actually pretty lively. I can't remember ever being here on a Saturday. Usually it's on a weekday, so it's quiet. You see that little camp right there, the camp tent? You could actually camp here. I'm not sure if they charge for camping or if it's free.
Daddy, that way, Mama, that way, kid.
Can't go up there.
Please.
Oh wow, look at the beautiful view.
Oh, to the water. Hey, where's that pumpkin patch?
I got my DJI Pocket 2 on my bike handle recording, and my GoPro on my backpack strap recording. Oh, they are? Oh, good. Who's the one that's renting them? Oh yeah, huh? Yeah, like a couple of videos ago, we came by wondering how do we rent those paddle boats, and now we know.
Hey guys, come
Remember to
back
brake.
Why would you go in front of me?
Going downhill. Uh-oh. All right. Yeah. Use your brakes. Use your brakes. What the? Look at Chia. He went down the hill. You know, pop the tires. All right, guys. So this isn't our first time riding on this bicycle trail at Bonelli Park. This is our second time riding here.
That's right.
And we went up this hill right here. It's really nice. So we're gonna go up this hill right now and take a break at that nice scenic view. Oh, it's pretty windy. Feels good. Get up there though, there's a lot of hills. So if you're on a regular bike, it's gonna be kind of hard. So my two nephews in the back, it's gonna be a little bit harder for them. So we're gonna go a little bit slower. But looks like they're holding up fine.
He can find you, Daddy. He can find you.
Yeah, they're fine, baby.
He can find you.
My little bossy baby right here.
Find me?
Yeah, it's fine. We're
Find
good. We're good.
It's catch me.
See, this trail right here is noise. Look at it. Woo. Well, this trail right here, or this pathway, or whatever it is, leads to the RV center.
Hey.
The RV park, I mean.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
But look at that view. Let me angle the camera to go look to the left. Look at that. Ooh. Look at the nice green grass. Yes. See that? How romantic. You could take your partner here. This looks like what people are doing here, but yeah. There goes my two nephews right there. Oh, there goes the uphill part. I hear you.
Hey, Mama.
Oh, girl.
It's a video.
I hear you. Okay, let me just the camera to the left, because that's a nice view on the left side. Whoa.
Hey!
Shit, don't stop in the middle. Go to the right side. Oh, watch out. Walk. There's a seat up there. Alright, guys. Taking a little break right here. bikes parked right here.
No, Calvin, no.
Uh-oh. We got the houses right there on the right side. I don't know if they're mansions. Wait, so do you guys want to go up or go back down? Go back down? Okay.
Is there more stuff?
And then after we go down, you guys can ride and try to catch up to Yaya and Ta. Let's go, Mama. Alright, we're going. Yeah. Yeah, we just
I like that black and pink one.
we just passed by a bunch of people with electric bikes. Everyone has electric bikes. What the hell? Yeah, but they weren't, well, not electric bikes, but electrical bikes. But I think they came back from the RV trail. I mean, from the RV park. That's where, because RV people mostly have electrical bicycles. Well, anyways, my nephews went back to the main trail to go meet up with my parents because this trail is a little too rough for them. Yeah, this is the RV trail. Do you want to explore it?
Yeah.
Let's see if my bike fits. My bike. I did it. We did it. Right. We are now in the RV park.
The water pooping.
I've actually been watching a lot of RV camping on YouTube, and it looks pretty fun. It looks like something that I will probably want to do later on. But the cost of an RV, it's super expensive. Super duper expensive. Can you imagine that? Like, just riding an RV, staying at like one city for like a week, and then moving on to the next city. That's the life. Maybe one day. Which way should we go? Which way shall we go?
This way.
That's right. Okay, he's the leader. He just told me left.
Fireworks.
Yeah,
Daddy.
fireworks. Someone popping fireworks, baby.
Fireworks.
Okay, we're gonna be heading back now to the
Fireworks.
main Bonelli Park. But first, we're gonna ride through the RV area. Cool. Look at that. Oh my god. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise. I do have an external mic with a dead cat on it, or a skunk, or whatever you call it. Babe, would you want to live this life? It seems like a vacation every day. A nice vacation every day. It's sort of, yeah, sort of. It's like $60 a day, I guess. But like, it's $60 a day. But if you do like a monthly,
It's cheaper.
yeah.
It'll still be less than $1,000 a month.
And then like when you get tired, you can just move to the next city.
Yeah. If I had a remote job, I'd be down.
Yeah, when we retire. All right, leaving the RV park now. Gonna be heading back.
Hey.
Hey,
Kid.
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 Okay, okay, baby. Okay.
Kid. Kid. Kid.
See, there's another electrical bicycle.
Kid.
Everyone has an electrical bicycle at the RV park. Right? Right, babe? Wait, I'm trying to fit. Oh, crap. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're back on the off trail. I guess you could call it the RV trail leading to Bonelli Park. Yes, honey? My honey's calling me with the bell. Say yes, mama.
Yes, Mama.
Louder.
Yes, Mama. Yes, honey.
What?
He said yes, honey. Because I called you honey. Say yes, honey.
Yes, honey.
All right. Okay, so this is like a little uphill right here. We're gonna have to do pedal assist too just to make it up here. Oh, look at Mama. She's on pedal assist 1. Say, go, Mama.
Go, Daddy.
No, Mama. Go, Mama.
Go, Mama.
You can do it, Mama.
You can do it, Mama.
You can do it, Mama. He's like, you can do it, Mama. Look at Mama. Mama's a trooper, huh? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna switch the camera to the right as we ride. Look at that view. When you see a view that's beautiful, you say it's viewtiful. Alright, there goes this tunnel right here. Pretty cool. It has painting on it. Said owl. The sun's about to set right now. I think this is our last loop around the trail. We're gonna head back. Call it a day.